Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then you'll have to tap on the button with a 3 bars icon, I believe, or square icon, but I'm almost 100% sure that it will be a 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures navigation, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we get the recent, so all previously opened tabs. And if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them, just swipe it up like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your TCL Tab 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.